Hello friends, it's Running Kimono, and it is so bright outside today that it's getting a weird reflection from the snow, and in my kitchen it's a weird light, so I'm just going to do a little slideshow, but this is the photo of today. It's just really, really bright with that snow. Hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a terrific day, and yes, I know a lot of you in the south love to look at the snow photo, so there's a lot of snow here. Okay, so the first store we're going to go to is Walgreens, and I made a video this morning about the GODIVA, how it will be really inexpensive, cheap chocolate, depending if you have coupons or not. Now, the thing that was kind of like a question mark were these bags of the masterpiece. This dark chocolate ganache hearts, I bought 3 of them in a transaction to test it out. Now, I don't have any of those manufacturer coupons, so I'm going to show you precisely what I did here. I grabbed 3 of them for $10.50. I had that IVC loaded, and the IVC you can only use digitally once. So I am done on this store card, just to note that. I had that $6 register reward from yesterday from the Charmin Bounty deal, so I utilized that. My subtotal was $1.50. I used $1 of Walgreens cash and paid 50 cents. And check this out, guys. This guy printed, so that is really nice. You cannot roll these register rewards from transaction 1 to transaction 2, hoping a second one will print. That's not how it works over there, just to answer that question really quickly. And we're going to look at this deal with chocolates where the register reward didn't print. Now, for whatever reason for me, because I did these first, I did the domes first, and then I did the bags second. I did it in 2 separate transactions on 2 store cards because we don't have the big book of savings here at our store, so that sucks. But anyhow, I grabbed 3 of these domes that theoretically should work because it's even on the IVC, and it did not print for me. So I'm going to have to get in touch with Catalina. I will link a video in the notes and at the very end if you wish to watch it. It's just a website, and you send them a bit of pertinent information. If you look at this promotion, buy 1 GODIVA bag or gift, buy 3, get $4 back. I'll have to send. I will send them that information, and then they'll mail me a register reward through the mail. Unfortunately, the manager was on some sort of they were doing something in the back, so I didn't want to, for a $4 register reward. I'm like, whatever, I'll come back another day or send a message to Catalina, so I will do that, and they usually take good care of me. Now, a friend of mine in Ohio, Rionia21, this is the mix of chocolate that she grabbed. So she got a coconut one, a hazelnut one, and a double chocolate one. And her $4 register reward worked. So I do not know what happened to me. Just something goofy happened. But if you want to do a mix like this, it worked for her and it printed. So thank you for sharing that. And yeah, it's just one of these things. If it doesn't print, if it's out of paper, if it's offline, whatever, you just have to get in touch with Catalina or ask the manager for help. But I just didn't have that opportunity today. And if you're still kind of not sure about this deal, you would grab 3 of these, like a mix of these and a masterpiece, because the masterpiece, the chocolate, the deep chocolate one or dark chocolate one, that worked for me. So who really knows what's going on? And I went with these, the double chocolate ones, because they don't expire till next year, like in the middle of the year. The coconut ones at my store were expiring in January, and I was like, that is too short of an expiry date if you're gifting this as a Christmas gift, I thought. Just to jog through this deal again, if you might have this manufacturer coupon, it was from the Smart Source of November the 21st. You would need 3 of them, or you could use a register reward or Walgreens cash, whatever you might have. All of that is perfectly fine and legal. But just grabbing, 3 bags of the domes, maybe grab the flavors that Rionia got, or like a mix, maybe not like me. It's $10.50, subtracting 3 of those coupons from the Smart Source of November the 21st, and then that $2 IVC will take off 3, as I showed you in the receipt. You're paying $3.75, getting back a $4 register reward, making this free plus a 25-cent money maker. So it worked for her. It didn't work for me, but it worked for me on the masterpiece bag. So go figure this one out. I'm hopefully going to get some of these manufacturer coupons sometime this week, and I want to get more chocolate because I'm planning on gifting a bunch to neighbors in the neighborhood, because we get a lot of FedEx packages. So I am that annoying person in the neighborhood, so I want to just do something nice for my neighbors. But this deal is going on right until Christmas if you looked at the tags. And if you look bottom right hand corner, see how it says good through December the 25th? That's how I know. Okay, let's go to Rite Aid now. And sorry again about these photos. It's just so bright out in my kitchen. So I grabbed 2 of these hand soaps and 2 of these Colgate brushes. If you're anything like me, I have a ton of bonus cash right now on my store card from those Black Friday deals. So I grabbed 2 of these. These are on a weird promotion where they're $4.99 even though it's not tagged. And then there's a $2 in-ad coupon. So you'll pay $2.99 and then get back $2 in bonus cash, making it 99 cents. And this is 50 fluid ounce of hand soap. So that is a very large amount of hand soap. So that's why I went with this. And if you just look at the tag, it's kind of confusing, but it is the way that it is. And if you do not like soft soap hand soap, because I know that some people, maybe you like Dial or a different type of hand soap, you can alternatively get the Irish Spring, either the body wash or the bar soap. So it is an either or, and I think you can get the double packs of Speed Stick as well. So there's a mix of products. The limit is 2. So this is the coupon that you need from the flyer. Just cut it out. $4.99 subtracting 2, which is this coupon. You'll pay $2.99 and then get back $2 in bonus cash, making it 99 cents. So that is really, really fantastic for that big thing of hand soap, 99 cents. OMG. Okay, so the next little dealio that we have is with the Colgate. It's like a spin brush, which is an electronic toothbrush for kids. And it's either the Minions or the Trolls. And they are $4.99 each. The original price is $7.99. So just some savings right there. And it's on a double dip. Shout out to Ravi for the last 2 deals. They're in fact his. It's giving 5 back when you spend 2, along with a 2 back when you buy 2. So just to show you, like, what do they look like? So either that plain Minion one on the left and then the Troll one on the right. And this makes a really nice stocking stuffer. I like to throw one of these in stockings, just a little something extra. We get so much kids toothpaste through the year, so it's just a really nice little thing. Like, everybody gets dental care this year. So yeah, and this is also, you just 2 per card for this promotion. So grabbing 2 of them, that's $9.98. Remember, it's $4.99 per. You're going to get back $5 of bonus cash for either a monthly or a weekly plus another 2. So it makes it $2.98 for the 2, or like $1.49 each. And I know that's not exactly free, but this is a battery operated toothbrush. So I think it's pretty good. Think about it. So I don't think this is the worst deal, and it makes a really cute little stocking stuffer. And if you have like, $40, $50 of bonus cash, you have to roll it into something every 30 days. So this would be a really good deal. I think my basket was like $17 and I got 11 back. So not the worst deal ever. So as always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys.